welcome back everyone to Dodge Knife and Tool. You know, I see things online or on Amazon and you wonder if they're any good, you know? And I think that's what this video is pretty much here to tell you. Is, you know, sometimes I don't buy certain things because I feel they might be junk or garbage. This is a Molle bag, is what they call it, M-O-L-L-E. This one's got a lot of space inside. Alright, I got flashlights, more knives. Zipper seems pretty heavy duty. These unbutton, you can clip it on your belt. You got other bands here to go. You can put other gear through there if you want. I have my 704 gear knife on the front, which they did send me a patch, and guess what? You can peel this patch off and replace it with another patch. I'm showing you all this because now that I see this is a decent quality bag, well, how about for a reference, since we know the Ozark Trail, that's how big the bag is. Alright, what do we got? It's about, well, that's puffed out, about 6 inches by 6 inches. Alright, you can hang it on stuff there. I think this is a good deal because I like the quality of this. It did say gray camo. This is green camo, so that is one issue right there. You might not get the color you ordered. But there was a 2-pack of these for $10. Okay, so with that in mind, I can get behind this all day long 100%. Alright, there's your update, your shopping update. If that helps, I hope it helps. And I hope we're all learning something from the channel. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to know. Hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. And I'll see you on the next one.